Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with this quick and simple, very easy weeknight dinner type of recipe. We're going to be baking chicken. It's going to be a one-pan dish. I'm planning on making rice with it, like a spiced rice using turmeric and different kinds of spices with aromatics and vegetables. And let's get to the recipe. First, we're going to be mixing together our sauce for the chicken marinade. Basically, you're going to add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, lemon zest, 1 whole lemon, and half a lemon juice, 2 teaspoons of oregano, 2 teaspoons of cayenne pepper. If you don't like it spicy, you can use paprika instead. I would use smoked paprika, and black pepper, salt, and olive oil. You can also add some water if the paste is too thick. You're gonna add these to your chickens. I'm using chicken thighs and drumsticks, like combined. And I'm going to marinate this, put it in the fridge for about at least 30 minutes to an overnight. You can also make this marinade, put it onto the chicken and freeze it if you want. It makes a really simple and as for the bake part, we're going to be adding some carrots, onion, and potatoes to the tray. I'm also going to add salt, pepper, oregano, some lemon zest, lemon juice, and maybe garlic to the vegetables as well. And then we're going to bake this at 400 degrees for about an hour. It turns out really delicious. So while the chicken is in the oven cooking, I'm going to prepare my vegetables for the rice. I'm going to be using basmati rice. Usually my measurements for 3 people is about 1 cup of rice, but depending on the amount that you think you can eat, you can increase it. So since I will be adding potatoes also to my meal, I think 1 cup of rice is enough. As for the carb portion of the dinner, we will be using 1 carrot, 1 onion, 1 chili pepper, 2 cloves of garlic. And as for the spice, we're going to be using turmeric, black pepper, red chili flakes, cumin. Let's saute the vegetables now. Once they get nice and caramelized, we will be adding the spices. Once you smell spices, once the vegetables get caramelized, we're going to be adding the chilies, spices, and garlic. Once you smell the garlic and the spices, it's time to add the rice. I do saute the rice for like 40 seconds to a minute. Then I'm adding the salt, water, cover in medium heat. Once it starts to boil, we're going to turn it to low heat and cook it for about 20 minutes. Now my rice is cooked. I will let it rest for about 5 to 10 minutes as well.